There are many articles online about how rosemary might help with migraines. It was those articles that led me to try rosemary teas for my migraines as well. But keep in mind, even though I looked around quite a bit, I didn't see any scientific studies confirming any benefits, at least not yet. Still, rosemary teas completely stopped my migraines, not once, but twice, so I'm sharing how I make these teas with the hope that it may help some of you as well. Cut off a fresh rosemary stem about 7-8 centimeters or 3 inches long. Rinse it off and place it in about 0.4 liters of water or 1.5 cups and boil. Once it starts boiling, keep it on medium heat for another 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, our rosemary tea is ready. It's a bit sour by itself, so I always add some lemon juice and some honey, and it tastes great. At first, I started with having this tea once every week. After about 6-7 weeks, I dropped it down to about once every 2-3 weeks. I've kept it at that frequency ever since, and I plan on doing that indefinitely. I wrote more about my personal experience with migraines and rosemary teas in the description below the video, and if there are any updates, I will add those there as well. Rosemary teas have completely cured me of my migraines, and I hope it'll do the same for some of you as well.